This is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. US markets, fantastic market, closed at all-time high after the consumer price inflation data. In fact, the data came as expected. It did not come lower than expected, but still, compared to the last month, it was down. Remember, the Fed chairman also spoke about 1 week before. Inflation is likely to be on the downward trajectory. So because of that, all three major indices, Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 closed at all-time high. Remember, in the last 1 month or so, S&P 500 has fallen about 7% and shot up 7%, about 14% swing. Asian markets are higher and GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 points gap up for Nifty. So that means it's likely to open around yesterday's opening level. Remember, yesterday after opening, markets came under severe selling pressure led by HDFC Bank. And today, once again, it's opening closer to 22,400. But the difference between yesterday and today, there's one big difference. Yesterday, the future premium was about 100 points. During the trading hours yesterday, so the future premium has come down. I think come down to about 50-60 points. So in fact, yesterday the Nifty was down, but Nifty future was down, but not Nifty spot was not down that much. So therefore, Nifty spot may be above 22,300 today. That's a resistance zone. So a Nifty spot is likely to open above the resistance zone. Yesterday also, the global induced gap up sold into, but today it's going to be very interesting to see whether this gap up will be sold into. The first thing is that FIIs will be very, very happy, because, no matter what is the global queue, they want to keep on selling. They will keep on selling until the parliament election results. So any gap up, they are happy because they are able to sell at a higher level. Second one, the call buyers will be happy because on the day of expiry, a gap up of 100 point, the call premiums are likely to shoot up. And, heavily written calls. These call writers will have to run per cover, so that may propel the market even higher for the first 10-15 minutes at least. Then maybe after that, they may be selling. But first 10-15 minutes, the option premiums tend to shoot up. So those smart buyers, they will be booking the profits, 10-15 minutes, within 10-15 minutes. So there are many good news. Number one, global cues are good. US markets closed at all-time high. And number two, Nifty may be opening above the resistance zone. If that happens, another 150 to 200 point rally is possible. And number three, US VIX was down 7% yesterday. But India VIX is still going higher, but who knows? Today, if the market gap up, it sustains. Maybe along the way, the India VIX may go lower. In fact, yesterday itself, the option premiums, started coming down. So maybe that is possible. So if the VIX goes down, that will be something good. The bulls can be happy. So Reliance will be in focus today because there was some reduction in windfall tax, and Mahindra & Mahindra will be in focus ahead of its results. And HDFC Bank will be surely in focus because yesterday that stock was hammered out of the shape, any short covering. So HDFC Bank will be the first candidate for short covering. And because it has highest weightage in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it can contribute a hell lot of points for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So overall, still Nifty is trading between 22,000 and 22,500. So that box, the middle box, as it has been trading for the last 5 months, occasionally going up and occasionally coming down, but coming back to this range. And, there is a possibility, it may be somewhere in the middle of this. And yesterday, options indicated 22,300 as the resistance, but any move above that, the move can be very, very fast. But however, that's not going to happen so easily. The FIAs will be taking every opportunity to offload their shares. And so therefore, intraday volatility will be very, very high, especially expiry day volatility will be definitely higher. And one good thing is that, the third week will be ending today. So we will have 2 more weeks for May expiry, and out of which one day is a public holiday, trading holiday because of elections in Maharashtra. But that will be compensated by some special trading session on coming this Saturday. But special trading session may be only for 2 hours, may not be the full trading day. So let us hope the market consolidate between 22,000 and 22,500 with some kind of a positive bias. Then wait for the D-Day on June 4. Okay, I'm expecting 15 to 20% move on either side within 1 to 2 months of election results. On the election results day itself, will not be surprised if the Nifty moves about 5 to 6% on either side, depending upon the results. So, still only 4 phases of elections are over, still 3 more phases are there, but definitely some privileged people who will have access to exit poll results, they might be reacting along the way. So that's why sometimes, common man relies on technicals because he does not have access to privileged information. But those who have the information, they will be reacting in the market. That will be reflecting in the chart. So that's why it's very important to look at the technical charts now. So right now, technically, the markets are neither bullish nor bearish, just hanging around. So let us hope where the market, at least 22,000 is not broken on the downside once again. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.